Okay, we got calcium chloride going into a phenol red water solution. Zipping it up. Now feel it. Slosh around with your hands. What do you feel?
It's like it's hot now. It was like cold, now it's hot.
Slosh it up good. Really get it mixed.
Now it looks like Kool-Aid.
That is hot.
It's really hot.
Yeah.
It is.
It started fizzing out in the bag was open. I got scared.
Okay. Now go ahead. Let's go ahead and put your baking soda in. You guys can make your observations afterwards. Okay.
Okay.
You
Quickly
guys
close it after this.
quickly close it afterwards. Yes. In we go. Baking soda added to the solution. Okay. Now feel the bottom of it.
Well, it's down a lot.
Okay. Do we have it closed firmly?
Yeah.
Okay. What's happening to the bag too?
Airing up. It's fizzing.
It's fizzing.
The bag's getting wide. Yeah.
Dude, I'm gonna take
Not hot anymore.
I'm gonna take this.
It's cold now.
cold.
Cold now. And it's yellow.
Yeah, it looks like egg yolk.
So it changed color. It got cold. It went from hot to cold.
Yeah.
Fizzed up. Gave off a lot of gas. Filled the thing with gas. Do we have chemical changes or physical changes going on here? Definitely.
Now be sure that you answer questions 1 through 6.
Go.
Okay, hello boys and girls. I'm demonstrating today day 10, station 2 for types of energy. This second station is called electrical energy. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and connect this circuit. And after I connect this circuit, you can see what happens. So right now, go ahead and...
This time you're going to answer questions 1 and 2.
Go.
Alright boys and girls, right now I'm going to go ahead and disconnect one of the wires. And right now you guys are ready to go ahead and answer questions 3 through 6. Right now I'm doing station 3, thermal and light energy. And I'm going to actually do exactly as it says on question number 1. I'm slowly going to move the switch up and down a few times. And as I do that, I want you all to observe what happens and answer the question as you're asked. So here's the light. Turn on the switch. You guys can clearly see what's happening. So go ahead and answer the question and we'll talk again in a second.
Go.
Alright boys, so right now I'm going to go ahead and do question number 2. So question number 2 says place your hand about 2 inches from the bulb and slowly move the switch up and down again. What do you feel? So since you all are not doing it, I'm going to tell you what I feel. So I'm going to go ahead and do that right now. So here's the switch. Here's my hand. About 2 inches will be here. Ooh, feels a little warm, obviously. This is heat. Don't try this at home. Alright, so every time I turn on the light, what's happening is my hand is getting warmer due to the heat. And when I turn it off, it just cools off again. So please go ahead and answer the question.
Now be sure that you're answering the rest of the questions for station 3.
Okay, hello boys and girls. Right now I'm demonstrating the station number 4, sound energy. So I'm gonna go ahead and do as question number 1 says. So hold the end of the tuning fork in your hand. So obviously, as you guys can see, I'm doing that right now. Number 2 says carefully strike the opposite end of the fork with the mallet. The fork is producing sound energy. What do you hear when you hold the fork about an arm's length from your hand? From your head, sorry. So I'm gonna go ahead. Okay, so now you are ready to answer question number 2. All right, boys and girls, right now I'm gonna do question number 3. So question number 3 says, slowly move the tuning fork towards your head. But before you do that, you first obviously have to hit it with the pencil. When I do that, I literally hear I hear a lot of vibration. The closer I get it, and obviously it's getting much louder. So that's what I noticed for question number 3. All right, so now I'm demonstrating question number 4, where it says strike the fork again and touch it with your hand. So, but yeah, basically a lot of vibration. So that's what's happening for question number 4.
Go.
All right, right now I'm going to demonstrate question number 5. Question number 5 says, strike the tuning fork again and dip it into the cup of water. So right now, if you guys look, I want you all to pay attention to what's going to happen to the waves. You guys can see that? Let me do this one more time. Actually, let me do this. You guys see how the water splashed out due to all that vibration? One last time. Up. Yeah. Okay.
This is gonna get a little crazy. I'm gonna take this and I'm gonna hit it hard on the table and I'm gonna put it in the water, watch. Oh, you see the water shoot all over the place?